a man who has fellowship and gotten to a place. There's a place where sounds reside. It's a place. It's a place. And when you get there, you oh my God, man, you join to that place. If you don't sit, you see when people start telling you that. I remember I have a story of a man. They said a man got his hands on him. And he said, the man was told him from now on, you receive sound. He said, for how many years? You didn't receive sound. The man only hands on him and said, from now on, he said, he fell on the power of God, you didn't receive sound. He said, until one day, the Holy Ghost gave him wisdom. And he began to pray. He do prayers for hours. He pray in tongues. He said, until one day, I'm touched. That man and his sounds, even Indians are singing it. Oh, you don't see Indians singing hey or so the Ghanaians say, we open you up to sounds. If you don't join me, you can be open, but if you don't join, you will not receive place. He said, even to the man's handkerchief, think under his pillow. Nothing happened. There's a place. And how you join it there? Sometimes it's by prayer. You pray and you get to that place. In fact, one of the ways you have a big thing is through songs. When a big people see you and you begin to sing songs of praise and worship because you know you've hit something. So tonight, some of you, if you're here at tonight, and yet the music ministry, something will open up in your heart. We're going to take the next 5 minutes and pray in the spirit. And we're going to lift up sounds. Because you have to be full before the sounds begin to come out. You have to be full. You have to be a where you are charged. As you are charged, the sounds begin to come out of you. It may not really be your song. It will be a song that somebody else sang. But at that moment, the Holy Ghost gives you that song. It becomes your personal song. That's why sometimes people sing a song that somebody else has sung. And they are crying. Not because of the lyrics, it's because the Holy Ghost is the one that inspired the song in their spirit. So when we say a new song, we don't say that it has to be a song that you compose. We say it's a song that the Holy Ghost inspires in your heart. That's what we call a prophetic sound. So when we say prophetic sound, sometimes they're thinking, oh, I cannot receive a new one. You don't have to receive a new one. It could be a song that has been sung 15 years ago. And at that moment, the Holy Ghost inspires it, and you begin to sing it. And all of a sudden, the presence of God that you reach. Pray in the Holy Ghost. Oh my God, pray in the Spirit.